Hi, welcome to Crossyears TV. Today I will share another wonderful strategy you can adopt to make money for yourself online. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. Once you are now on Fiverr, I want you to search for the category of business card. Business card. I'm now in the category of business card. So what these people are doing for themselves, that's what we'll be emulating to. Can see do minimalist, luxurious, elegant business, design creative, professional business card, and many more. You can see this may provide professional business card. So let me click this. This is a top rated person here in Fiverr. So this person has 11 orders in queue already. I will provide professional business card design service. Imagine that. This person will design professional business card for you. So if you are new, once you join Fiverr, if you wanted to join this category of freelancer service, you will need to create a seller account. You need to create a seller account. So if you are looking for a video on how to create a seller account, so I have created video regarding that. You can check my previous video, so you too can do what this guy is doing for yourself. You can also join, so you too can start making money for yourself on Fiverr. So once you have also designed the interface just like this, the way this guy has also do, so the question now is, how can you create business card? If you have a client that I need of business card, since you have already created your own profile, don't worry, I'll be showing you that now. I want you to go to a platform named Canva.com. 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 What is Canva.com? Canva, this is a graphic design platform that enable you to create any graphics related activities, So it is still loading. Okay. Now, so this is Canva. So we'll be searching for what business card, you can see mobile video, Facebook post, poster, Facebook cover, invitation card. You too can see business cards. So that's what we need. So once you have a job on Fiverr, you can then come to this platform to create the business card for the client. Once you have created it, then you can submit it back to the client. That's just how easy it is. So kindly make these two platforms now to start making money for yourself. So this is the already available templates available for business card here on this platform. So you can just choose one, then you copy and design the business cards just the way the client love. So once you do that, you can then submit it back to the client. Then you start making money for yourself. That's just how easy it is. Kindly let me show you the business card. Just very easy and user friendly platform. Just a drag and drop platform. Just click, then you edit. Once you edit, then you are done with whatever you are doing, the business card design. Then you can submit it back to the client. I'm very sorry, this is the business card. You can see Estelle Darcy, social media manager, social media made easy. Hello at realgatesite.com. 123 anywhere straight, any straight. So that's just easy. You can see this is the front and this is the back. So you can design it the way the client work. Once you are done with it, then submit it back to the client. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.